Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be talking about our new John Deere Grappler. It's a mechanical grappler, and show you what it can do. Okay, so here's our new mechanical grappler. What's nice about it is it doesn't have to have hydraulics to hook up. John Deere released this November of 21, but my dealer didn't get to order them until about June of 22, and then in September of 22 these things finally got some in. But these list for $2,616, and if you're a John Deere client, you might be able to get it for cheaper if you're on the Platinum program like I did. But anyway, the other grappler that they make is hydraulic, and it's going to be more money, and you got to add hydraulics and everything, so it's a difference. The hydraulic one is the AB20F. It's 53 inch. It's $2,276, but then you got to add the whole hydraulic kit plus labor to put that on, so you're going to be well up in the $3,000 range. This is 54 inch mechanical. You just bring the tractor over and load her up, and you're ready to go in 2 seconds. And you don't have to add any hydraulics, and it does a pretty good job. I'm going to end up showing that to you today. That's how easy that is to hook up, and you can see how big and bold this thing is. You can pick up trees with this thing, you can pick up brush, whatever. There is a competitor that makes one of these, but the competitor bolts together with a lot of bolts, a ton of bolts. This is all welded, okay? It's all welded together. The competitor has you add this middle part right here, so you won't spill stuff as easy, but that costs you extra money to add the middle part, and you got to bolt it in. John Deere's is all welded. It's all welded right here, so it's very, very nice. Now, the reason we got this is because we do hurricane cleanup, and we just had a hurricane come through here, and we didn't have a whole lot of cleanup with that for the grappler, but that's about the time that I decided that I really need one. But anyway, we got it for hurricane cleanup, so we can move trees out of customers' driveways, or move brush piles, or just whatever that every customer might need. Or maybe it's not a hurricane, maybe they just have some fallen trees down. Well, we can pick them up and move them right out of the way for them. Okay, so these are for the 100, 200, or 300 series. They're 54 inch. They can lift up to 1,200 pounds. And this one here is the MG20F, and it lists for $2,616. So now I'm going to show you some things that we can do with this thing. Okay, now the way you operate this is your joystick here. This is how you open and close. And of course, you still got your up and down, but you just got to give that bottom piece underneath, whatever it is. But the joystick is how you're going to operate this. Today, I'm showing you this. I got a 3025E John Deere tractor, and that's what we're using today, the 300 series. So that's the type of jobs you can do with this thing. It's just great for hurricane cleanup, or great for moving trees around your property, or whatever your customer needs. That's one thing we offer with Naples Lawn Service, is a tractor service with a big variety of options to help our customers. So that's our video for today. The grapplers, mechanical grapplers, are very nice to use. It's a lot cheaper than doing the hydraulic. If you want to do the hydraulic, that's great. But if you don't want to do the hydraulic, you just don't have use of this bottom arm. It just scoops under there. But you do have full use of this. You save yourself a lot of money and still get a lot of work done. And this, what we're running, 3025E, it's a great tractor to run that grappler on. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more videos coming out soon.